Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A16 5G and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find wallpaper and style. Then let's enter change wallpapers. As you can see there we had the preview of the lock screen and the home screen, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So here we've got the pre-installed options, our own gallery, so of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper, and under it, at the very bottom of the list, we've got wallpaper services. You can use dynamic lock screen and Samsung Global Goals. So all you have to do in order to change the wallpaper is to tap on the desired one, for example this one. Here you can check how it will look like on the lock screen and the home screen, and here you can also decide where you want to apply it. So just mark the option you'd like to use. I think I would like to apply it on both options, so let's tap on next. Here again we've got the preview, so here you can manage the widgets, etc. So just tap on done in the right upper corner. Now we can go back, and as you can see the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.